Hi everyone and welcome to our terrace. I'm outside today and just wanted to film a very short and rather unconventional video this time because Kate from Resin8 headed out to me and asked me if I would like to test some of their awesome pigments. Resin8 is located in the UK and it's actually the first company that headed out to me asking if they would like to test their pigments, which is amazing. I feel really honored that they asked me to test it. And the package arrived last week. I wanted to film an unpackaging video, but I was too curious. They sent me a bunch of their pigments, which is more or less in the bluish scheme. It's some pigments, pigment powder and some pigment paste along with a pearl pigment paste and something that I just forgot, but I will show you the picture. They also sent me 2 bottles of the resin, so one resin and a hardener, which I'm also going to test. And I'm super curious how their pigments work. I'm really a bit excited about it. And the reason why I'm telling you is not to show off that actually one company headed out to me. No, I wanted to ask you to reply in my comments what you would like me to create with it. Would you like to see a geode painting or geode paintings? Beach artworks, both of them something completely different, a resin swipe. I've never done this, I guess. I don't know. So comment below what you would like me to create. And one thing that I want also to address is that one of the created paintings I'm going to donate and sponsor back to them. So one thing that I'm going to create I will send back to the UK for their personal use, I don't know. And so they can do whatever they would like to do with it. I thought it was a cute idea as kind of thank you that they sent me so many pigments and stuff. I'm really grateful for that. So now it's your turn, comment below in the video, and yeah, I'm going to show you the results very soon then. Until these projects are done, of course, I have plenty more projects in between. So I voice overed about 3 projects today, prepared 3 more videos where I do need to make the voiceover, so plenty of stuff to come. And Miriam, I tell you, I did something that you will most likely love, and you will need to watch it because you have to respond to it. I'm super happy about the result, and I guess you are too, and let me know when you're ready. I will upload it then. So thank you for your time. I look forward to read all your comments and suggestions. This is a hard word, by the way. I always struggle with pronouncing it, and I guess I'm really wrong. Yeah, write me below what you would like to see, and thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and see you very soon in my next videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.